Hi, I'm Brianna with IT Supplies, and today we are making stickers. We're going to go through everything from start to finish so you can see just how easy it is to make stickers on your own. We have a lot of different equipment here in our showroom, but today we are going to use our HP Latex 630W printer, our Suma cutter, and FlexiRip software to add the cut lines and send our print job. Today's video is a team effort, so I will be showing the printer and cutter, while our product and color services manager, Bob, will be demonstrating FlexiRip software. Both HP and Epson offer print and cut bundles with most of their printers. These bundles include a standalone printer, a standalone cutter, and a RIP software. HP print and cut bundles come with SAI Flexi, while Epson print and cut bundles come with Onyx Go. We are big fans of both RIPs, but today we want to show how easy it is to add the cut lines within Flexi. First things first, we need to get the files ready to print, so I'm going to pass this over to Bob.
Thank you, Brianna. Let's get down to business. Here I have a file open, Chicago pizza, pasta, pastry. Sounds good to me. After I open this file, I'm going to want to rasterize it. So the first thing I do is I highlight the area, and we're going to go to the bitmap tool in SAI Flexi, and we're going to click on rasterize. We're going to tell it that we want transparent background, and then we are going to go ahead and say OK. Now, we should be able to work with the image itself. So let's go ahead and we are going to go ahead and do a cut contour line around this image. So I go to Effects, I go to Contour Cut. Initially it's popping up as a rectangle, but we're gonna actually cut it to shape. So there we go. So now you can see that is taken care of. We also want to make sure we choose the correct tool here. So I'm going to go and click down on this down arrow, and I'm going to go to Cut Contour. And I click the green check mark to apply. So that's the first part. So now we've got our contour cut, but now we're going to want our perf cut. So let's go back to our effects. We're going to click on this contour cut again. This time we're going to make it a rectangle, and we are going to select the perf cut contour. All right, with that selected, you can now see a rectangular outline around the image. I'm going to click the green check mark to apply. All right. So now we have our image, we have our contour cut, we have the perf cut set. So we're going to go ahead and process the image, and a dialog box will pop up in just a second. Here we've pulled the settings from the printer, so we're all set as far as the printer goes. If you want to pull information, you can pull the sizing right here. Our printer is the HP Latex 630. And now we're going to go click on the cut area. So this is important here. So first thing you want to check is you want to check your registration mark, and where it says OPOS, that is what you want. You want to also click on options. Okay, so we're going to use the barcode technology, and Brianna's going to talk a little bit more about that. But we're going to place the barcode at the bottom and at the top. So I'm checking those two boxes, and I'm going to hit OK. The last thing that we want to do before we go to print here is make sure that we have the right order and the right knives selected. So as you can see, the contour cut comes first. You always want to do your contour cut first, because the perf cut means that the paper is going to get floppy. It's not going to have the same sturdiness. So, so you do your contour cut first. That is a tangential knife, but if you double click on it, and that's what we're going to do here, you want to double check your settings here. So we've already set up the cutter for the speed and the pressures that we want. So we really just wanted to find the tool. By default, you may occasionally find that Flexi has speed and pressure checked here. If that is checked, that's going to override the machine. So we're going to leave it unchecked. So I click OK. And then this right here, the Perf Cut Contour, we're going to make sure it says Flex Cut Accurate. That is going to be our Perf Cut. Again, we're only selecting the tool. We're not selecting the speed or the pressure, and we're going to click OK. Really, those are the key settings. There may be other settings that you might need, and Flexi does have some great information on their website, or you can call us or email our technicians and we'll be happy to help you with further settings. Beyond that, you're ready to send the job over and go ahead and print. Back to you, Brianna.
Now that our stickers are printed, we're going to cut these off the machine and take it over to the cutter. If we were going to laminate, now would be the time to do that. Lamination increases durability and rigidity, which some people prefer. Both HP Latex inks and Epson EcoSolvent inks are very durable and rated for 3 years outdoors without lamination, so we're going to skip that step. If you are looking for more details on when to laminate and when not to, contact us so we can help. Before the barcode systems, cutters would only use registration marks. Barcodes make this process much faster for a few reasons. When the cutter reads the barcode, it automatically pulls the cut file from the rip, so the operator no longer has to manually send it. Plus, it can tell which orientation the print is in, which makes for less mistakes. It also helps for continuous cutting. So you could print an entire roll of stickers segmented by job, and the cutter will continue to scan for new barcodes. Lastly, if you have a rush job, you can easily stop the cutter and get that job done. This was not possible when operators had to manually send cut files because it would have thrown off everything else in line. All right, let's cut these stickers. We already have the blade depth and cut pressure settings configured on the cutter, so we just need to line the barcode up and hit start. Now that these stickers are finished, you can see the stickers remain on the sheet for easy transport. Each cutter manufacturer will use different language for the two types of cuts. Summa calls the outer cut a flex cut, whereas Graphtec calls it a perf cut. The inside cut that does not go through the backing is called a kiss cut. Using both makes for a really easy peel off the backing. If you're wondering about the cost to print, it's typical for stickers of this size to cost 7 to 8 cents each, with ink and vinyl included. Of course, there are many types of vinyl to choose from, like grayback, Aerograss, removable, and high tack. For help in choosing the right vinyl, you know what to do, contact us. We hope this video was helpful in showing how stickers are made. Please leave your comments and questions below. Don't forget to give us a call to start making your own stickers.